Know the signs. 10 symptoms of low blood pressure that need
Dizziness or lightheadedness. Feeling dizzy, especially when standing up, is a common sign of low blood pressure. It indicates reduced blood flow to the brain and can lead to fainting if untreated.
Fainting, syncope. Sudden fainting episodes may result from a sharp drop in blood pressure. It can be dangerous, especially while driving or standing, and often signals an underlying cardiovascular issue.
Blurred or fading vision. Low blood pressure can temporarily affect vision by reducing oxygen and blood supply to the eyes. Blurry vision during sudden movements or exertion shouldn't be overlooked.
Fatigue and weakness. Persistent tiredness and weakness may result from inadequate blood and oxygen supply to muscles and organs. If rest doesn't help, it could be linked to hypotension.
Nausea or vomiting. Feeling nauseous, especially when accompanied by dizziness or sweating, can indicate low blood pressure. It may be your body's response to reduced blood flow to vital organs.
Cold and clammy skin. Pale, cold or clammy skin suggests poor circulation, often caused by a sudden drop in blood pressure. It may be an early sign of shock and needs urgent attention.
Rapid and shallow breathing. Low blood pressure may lead to rapid breathing as the body tries to compensate for oxygen shortage. If breathing becomes difficult or erratic, seek medical help immediately.
Confusion or difficulty concentrating. Brain fog, confusion or trouble focusing can result from insufficient oxygen to the brain due to low blood pressure. It's especially concerning in elderly individuals and requires prompt care.
Chest pain or palpitations. Low blood pressure may cause chest discomfort or irregular heartbeats. While not always serious, it could signal a heart condition and should never be ignored.
Excessive thirst and dehydration. Low pressure often follows dehydration. If you're constantly thirsty, especially with other symptoms like dizziness or fatigue, it could indicate your body's fluids and pressure are dangerous.